Cool. Okay, hi everyone. I'm just gonna let everyone log in and settle down. If you haven't seen the supply list, I actually made a little one right here. So you can see it's a piece of paper, any coloring utensils of your choice, and a black pen. And I will be right with you all. All right. So, hello again, everyone. If you don't know, my name is Bailey, and I do work at Warren County Public Library. I do teach some art programs there. You'll see me either at the main branch or over at Bob Kirby. And today I wanted to give you all a art project that is super easy to do at home. It's really wacky, and it brings your creativity out, and it's great for quarantine right now because I'm sure we're all kind of getting bored at home. So this is a really fun way to just be creative and have fun. So what you're going to need to start is a piece of paper. I have my piece of paper here, and then you're going to need coloring utensils of your choice, and it can be literally any coloring utensils. If it makes a mark and it has color, it is perfect for this project. I'm just going to be using some markers. And to start, we're going to need to pick 3 to 5 colors. You can do more than that if you want. I'm just going to do 3. Let's see, I'm going to do blue, red, and yellow. Primary colors, right? So now I'm going to tilt it down, which I know I won't be able to see your comments for just a second, but I'll be sure to check in on you all in just a second. But this way you all can see what I'm doing as I'm doing it. So you're going to start with your first color. I'm going to choose blue, and you're just, without any thinking at all, you're going to draw a blob. And blob is just a fun word because it's going to be a fun shape like that. And I have no idea what this shape is. It's just something funky and wacky. And then you're just going to fill it in. And this takes a little bit, so bear with me. Almost there. And there we go. And so just for time's sake, you're going to keep doing this with each color, but I went ahead and filled out a whole page. So you're going to keep making these blobs until you get something that looks something like this. And the best part about this project is that there's no right or wrong. I mean, any of these can be anything else. It doesn't have to be specifically this shape. So you're going to fill the page with as many blobs as you can, or as many as you want to fill. And then the next thing you're going to do is grab your black pen, and you're going to pick a blob to start. I'm going to start in the corner with this blue one. And here's the fun part, because you're going to have to create a face out of this. And it's kind of like if you ever went outside and you laid down and you looked up at the sky and you say, hey, that cloud looks like a unicorn, or that cloud looks like a bumblebee. That's kind of what we're doing here. You're going to try to make something out of the shape that you drew. So let's start with the eyes. I'm going to do a surprised face, I think. So its eyes are going to be like really big. And there's some pupils. And then I'm thinking a big nose. And then his mouth kind of looks like it's dripping off to the side. So here's his mouth. He's gonna have eyebrows because he's surprised, right? Maybe some freckles. You want to add some details in there, give him a personality. You can even give them some hair if you want. But you're going to do a bunch of different things for each blob. The goal is to have a different characteristic for each one. So like I did a surprise face on this one. On this one, maybe I'll do an angry face or a happy face or something, another emotion that would feel good, that feels good for you there. But the best part about this project is to just have fun with it. There is no right or wrong, as I said earlier. I made one earlier and I finished all of them and they are so wacky. I would never see these people in real life, I feel like. I'm trying to figure out the mirroring here. Here we go. See all the fun faces? Awesome. So be sure to share your fun creations. I'd love to see what you all come up with and create as many as you can because there's endless possibilities here. So yeah, be sure to share with the Warren County Public Library and just get out there and get creating. So yeah, y'all have a good time. Bye. Oh.